How to create Midjourney prompts. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Midjourney. I'm going to teach you how you can create effective prompts using ChatGPT. Now to start with, we're going to this Reddit post over here where we will use the ChatGPT prompt that he used so that we can make ChatGPT give us effective results. We're simply going to copy his message, then paste it in ChatGPT. After that, we're simply going to enter a concept that we want. For me, I'm going to enter a female samurai decapitating a dragon. Click on enter. Now ChatGPT will give us a prompt that we will enter into Midjourney bot. Now as you can see here, ChatGPT gave us this prompt, so we're simply going to copy this, just like this, and then we're going to put it into Midjourney bot by simply typing /imagine and this, and then pasting our info. Then we're going to click on enter. Unfortunately, ChatGPT provided us with a word that is banned, so we're simply going to change that a bit. We're simply going to change the cutting to slashing. Now as we can see here, Midjourney provided us with an amazing image selection. Unfortunately, it did not show what we wanted to see, but even though we got great results. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to give us prompts that we can use for Midjourney. Thanks for watching.